An Instagram highlight is a collection of Instagram stories that a user has saved under a certain category. Instagram story can only be viewed for 24 hours, but adding a story to a highlight gives it permanent spot on your profile. You can create an Instagram highlight in the mobile app and click to the nude in the highlight section below your bio. Scroll through your story archive and select the stories you want to include in your highlight. Then tap next in the top right corner of the screen. And you can also type in the name of your highlight. And if someday you don't like it anymore, you can edit it again. And you also can design this album to serve your work, such as introducing design products to customers. And besides of them, you can create a reels with your album. Besides creating reels with the photo albums, you can also remove photos from the album when you no longer like it. The highlight is so useful if you are a business. Such as a fashion brand use highlights to feature important information like a sizing guide, care info, new launch, and each highlight has a cute floral highlight cover. Highlight covers aren't essential, but they do provide your profile with a polished look, and they make a great first impression for people visiting your Instagram page for the first time. The big notice is once you create an Instagram highlight, the cover will generate automatically. But personalizing your Instagram highlight covers is a way more fun. It's also a great way to showcase your branding and add an individual touch to your profile. You can create circular Instagram highlight cover using any design app or software. And I highly recommend the Canva.com. Canva is free to use, but you do need to create an account to log in. And here's the result which I made with one of my albums.